Are you starting a YouTube channel in 2020, or are you thinking of starting a YouTube channel in 2020? Wait and watch this video till the end before you start, so you'll be glad you did, because you're going to learn a whole lot. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinyechiikechiweta and I am back again with another YouTube support video. Yay! Today I'm going to be telling you guys what you need to start up a YouTube channel in 2021. Starting up a YouTube channel in 2021 is actually possible. You can do it and you can also be successful at doing it. Starting a YouTube channel, I would always advise you to start with what you have. But right now, it's not just starting with what you have, but making sure that what you have is actually quality enough. I'm not saying you should get a DSLR camera or a mirrorless camera now, but make sure that the camera of your phone can shoot 720p, 1080p and 4K. So just toggle the settings of your camera to give you a very high quality video. So the first thing you need to do in starting up a YouTube channel is having a valid Gmail account. I cannot overemphasize on it. Like, you need a valid Gmail account to start your YouTube channel. And after having a valid Gmail account, you make sure that it's well set up and every good thing. So after that, the next thing you do is to think of the name you want your channel to be. Like sometimes YouTube actually name your channel after your Gmail account, but you can change it at any time you feel like. But I would always advise you to think of the name of the channel you want, and also think of what you want to be uploading in your channel, so that you don't have to be confused at the point of starting the channel. So these are the things you need. First of all, a valid Gmail account, the name of the channel, and what you want to do in your channel. The next thing you do is to create a channel banner, get an official channel display profile picture. You can also go the extra mile of making a channel trailer. Like, it's a short video that pops up anytime a new subscribers opens your channel. The first video that shows in their front before they start going about different things in your channel. So you can go the extra mile of making a channel trailer. Those things also make people know what your channel is all about. Next thing you need to do is to make videos. And in making videos, I will always advise you to make videos that will give value to your subscribers. Value, I don't mean you should come and sit down and be all serious with them, but give them videos that will entertain them, videos that they will learn from, videos that will always bring them back to come and watch more of your video. You can do lifestyle vlog if you're somebody that doesn't like to be you're just sitting in one place and making sit-down video. You can do lifestyle vlog, you can do DIY video, you can do cooking video, something that you know you are passionate about, and also what your subscribers will like to watch. So just give them videos that will give them value and will make them to come back to your channel. And after that, you make sure that whatever video you're putting out, you make sure that the quality is something that is good. Like, you don't just put out a video that is all blurry, you don't even clean your camera lens, you just popped on the camera and you started filming, the lens is all blurry, I cannot even see what's happening there. So you make sure that your video is quality. I'm not saying you should run and go and invest in a DSLR, but make sure that your camera, if it's an iPhone you're using, an Android phone, make sure that your camera is good to go. And if it's not good to go, and you see that this YouTube something is something you can do full time, or is something that you would love to continue to do, then you can invest in a camera. I'm not saying you should rush off and go and break the bank, but if YouTube is something that you would love to do full time and your mind can carry it, why not invest in a camera? Get a camera and just continue to do your thing. It's something, a camera is something that can last over time. So you're not wasting your time to get a camera. So just do the best you can to get the best of qualities for your videos. And when shooting, make sure you shoot on 720p, 1080p or 4K. I would advise the minimum you should go 720, and the maximum you can go as much as 4K. And moving on to editing, I'm going to be talking about two different kinds of I'm going to be talking about editors for Android and iOS. So for Android, we have Android and iOS. KineMaster works on Android and iOS, and then Power Director, Android and iOS. Video Leap works on only iOS, and Adobe Premiere Rush works on only iOS. And this KineMaster and Power Director, is free and is paid, but you can also work with the free version and just do with the watermark. Inshot is also free. It can serve both for Android and for iOS, so you can deal with the watermark. It doesn't go with the watermark, sorry. Inshot is free without the watermark. If you want, you can as well pay for it. Then Power Director and KineMaster you can work with the watermark, or you pay money and the watermark is removed. So moving on to editors for PCs and Mac, you can get Filmora 9, you can get Final Cut Pro. If you are on the high side, you have the money to foot the bill. You can also get Adobe Premiere Pro. So all those things are one of the video editors that is going to help you edit your videos, and you're going to love it because it's something that you develop as time goes on. You continue to do it and it works for you. And the next one, guys, is in making videos, please and please and please, I beg you, in whatever name of whatever God you are serving, make sure you do what you're comfortable about. I would always tell people that I'm somebody that wouldn't want to come to my channel in 5 years from now and I'll be like, what, did I make this video? So I don't like that kind of situation. So if you know you don't want to come back to your channel 5 years from now and start feeling like, am I the one that did this thing? So just make something you are comfortable about, and also think of what your subscribers will like. For some time now, I've been doing lifestyle vlog and venturing into what I am not comfortable about, because I feel that my subscribers like to see most of those things. So, but I still do it so that I will not be feeling somehow when I watch the video later. Please don't mind the background noise. The dog is always very, I don't just know. So that's also, I always advise people, make what you know you are comfortable with and put your subscribers in mind. Don't make something and feel like, it's my channel, it's my video, anything like I do. No, people are actually watching you. Without your subscribers, there cannot be your channel. You understand? Without subscribers, you cannot have a YouTube channel. So you have to put your subscribers in mind while doing what you are comfortable with, if you get what I mean. And the last one is to be patient. Like, patience is everything. Patience is the only virtue you need in YouTube. Be patient, because if you're somebody that, if a YouTuber that is just starting up in 2021, I don't think you should be rushing, because so many people have been on this platform for 4-5 years and they are not monetized. I'm not saying you should be like them, but everybody's lifestyle and channel can never be the same. But I feel you should be patient, because don't expect things to come fast. Don't expect everything to come immediately. It's a gradual process. The more work you put in, the more results you see. So be patient so that you can get the best of your channel, and you can also grow organically. Like people like us that just got our 1,000 subscribers because of live stream and other things, we're actually suffering from it now. I'm a living example. We're actually suffering from it because our channel views is not up to the kind of subscribers we have. So I wouldn't want you guys to repeat the same mistake we made. So I would advise you to be patient and watch yourself grow organically. Be consistent. Like, post every time. People like us, me now, I cannot testify that I'm consistent in posting 2 or 3 times a week. The last 2 months I went off for 2 months, but right now I'm back. I'm trying to post 2 times every week. So, but I would advise, just post videos every week. If you can post 3, post 3. If you can post 2, post 2. But make sure you are consistent. Make sure you are always in their face. Make sure you are always in people's face. That's the only way they can know you. So if you find this video helpful, and if this video has helped you in any way, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, join this family. It's fun here. I've not made a sit-down video in a long time, but right now I'm back at it. So join this family, and you're going to get exciting content like this in time to come. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Mwah.